When the most destructive mortar faces the domineering hydraulic press, who will be the final winner? Before the peak showdown begins, let us give the hydraulic press a simple warm-up. First, I borrowed a solid steel hammer from the hardware store. I hammered it a few times. It was indeed made of real material. I fixed it on the workbench. As the hydraulic press moved down, I didn't expect it to be so vulnerable. The hammer was bent by the hydraulic press. It can be seen from the slow motion that the hydraulic press is extremely powerful. With only more than 100 tons of pressure, the hammer was deformed. The bullet turned it to the other side, and the hydraulic press slowly broke the knife. Moving downward, in less than a moment, I saw that the hammer cut off easily. It seemed that the hydraulic press was invincible. Then the little brother brought a hard product. This is not simple. It is a very hard bearing. After checking the eyes, he placed it directly on the workbench. Without further ado, he directly turned on the pressure. It seemed like an egg hit a rock, and the hydraulic press touched it. Upon contact, the bearing was directly crushed to pieces. From the slow-motion view, the hydraulic press only used 2 layers of pressure and was directly crushed. Is this hydraulic press lawless? In the end, the little brother became furious. He took a mortar shell and carefully placed it on the pressure plate. After turning on the automatic hydraulic mode, the little brother found a safe place to hide it. Is this to destroy the hydraulic press? Sure enough, he is the tycoon among the tycoons. Seeing this is creepy and frightening. As the hydraulic press slowly moves downward, what will happen to the mortar? In the end, the mortar was crushed by the hydraulic press. I was worried about the hydraulic press. Fortunately, the mortar had expired, otherwise the hydraulic press would have been destroyed. The foreign guys are really brave. I applaud their experimental spirit. So cheers. Reduce the world's food supply and contribute to the world.